Hello, this is Scott from telecoms.com at 5G World, and I'm talking to Alex from Rohde and Schwarz. Hi, Alex.
Hi, Scott. Nice to meet you.
You too. So I understand that a big part of what you're talking about at the show today is the IoT aspect of 5G. We know that 5G, yes, it needs to be a lot faster than 4G, but a really big part of 5G is going to be how it supports IoT. So why don't you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, as you just mentioned, we see this as one of the main drivers that we say you have a lot of devices, that's sheer amount of devices that become connected to the network. This is the first challenge, and on the other challenge you have quite diverse requirements for this device, like low latency or high bandwidth, or the other way around. So it's quite a different and diverse set of manufacturers' devices that come to the network, and this will be the first use case that gets adopted for 5G, we guess, because it's already implemented by now on top of 4G or 3G, and so it will be the main driver from our point of view also for 5G. And but of course with this drivers, a lot of challenges are also associated. So from our point of view, the network has to become much more efficient, and also security is quite a big challenge. Actually, on my trip to London yesterday, I read a report that was published by telecoms.com, and in this report it was mentioned a lot of operators and service providers were questioned, and it was mentioned that they regard the IoT and the security challenges regarding IoT as the main inhibitor of the monetizing of IoT. So, and I'm with this, and this is also what we in our experience see, that the security challenges are not solved. We have no real standardization at the moment going on in this area, and there are quite different approaches that are chosen. There are, let's say, projects like the OWASP IoT project that is more aiming on, we provide the IoT manufacturers with the capabilities and the advice and the best practices to secure their devices. But on the other hand, there are other approaches that are more dedicated and that are more related to security providers providing dedicated IT security gateways or IoT firewalls in general, within low power consumption and all the necessary requirements and feature sets that you have for, let's say, IoT dedicated security equipment. And
so obviously there's going to be a lot of considerations there. We're expecting there to be billions of connected devices in the IoT of the future, and of course, we all watch sort of films where the machines take over and all that sort of thing, and we can imagine a time where someone could hack into some of those devices or control them or just hold them to ransom or whatever. So I can completely see why security would be a massive consideration. Perhaps you could tell us a little bit more about your company in particular, Rohde and Schwarz, and what you're doing about this.
Yeah, I'm part of the cybersecurity division of Rohde and Schwarz, and our approach is to provide network equipment manufacturers, especially in the IoT area and also in the security provider area. We provide them with a DPI engine, and this DPI engine is can be run on any platform. It's very power efficient, and you can use this DPI engine to secure all the traffic that is going to the IoT device. It means if you have an IoT let's say gateway or an IoT dedicated IoT firewall, then it's from our point of view, it really makes sense to employ a DPI on these devices in order to gain the maximum of traffic insights, and then to be able to do really atomic policy enforcement, policy management, and also down to the command level to secure that only those commands are sent to the IoT devices that you really want them to be sent. Because in general you have like two types of things that could occur from a security point of view. You have, on the one hand, the malicious behavior, like when you have a hacker that tries to get into the device and maybe tries to steal information or tries to crash the device or whatever. And on the other hand, but you also have accidental misusage. That means you control a device and you just by accident you turn a volume too loud or whatever, and you do not want this to happen. So then you can use a DPI, because DPI can provide you really with protocol dissection down to the atomic command level, and this allows you as a network equipment manufacturer to really secure the communication to the IoT device, and really implement, for example, also whitelisting based on commands. So you can then let the user directly decide what types of applications, what types of commands he wants to the device to be sent, and which ones he does not want to allow. So, and then the device is basically perfectly protected from intentional malicious behavior, but also from accidental malicious behavior. So that's
Great.
Our approach in general.
Great, well, that's really interesting. Thanks a lot for your time, Alex from Rohde and Schwarz.